Hey guys, if you want to change video resolution in VLC Media Player, there's something important you need to understand first. VLC cannot truly change the resolution of a video file permanently without converting it, but VLC can change how the video is displayed or convert it to a different resolution if needed. To change the display size, open VLC, click Video, then go to Zoom and choose a zoom level. This only affects how the video looks on your screen, not the actual video file resolution. If you want to change the real resolution, click Media, then Convert or Save. Add your video file, click Convert, then open the profile settings to edit the resolution. In the video codec section, set a new width and height, then save the profile. Choose a destination folder, click Start, and wait for VLC to convert the video. After conversion, the new video will have the resolution you selected. If you found this video helpful, click like, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.